My eyes water. Can you zoom into my eyes? You'll see tears in my eyes right now if you really zoom into, like, if them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and welcome back to another episode of Truth or Dab, the show where we give our guests two simple options: tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. And today I'm joined by Swae and Slim Jxmmi. Together, they're Rae Sremmurd, the platinum-selling hip-hop duo you know from hits like No Type, Black Beatles, and many more. But can they power glide their way through the tightrope of truth and pain? We'll find out today, fellas. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
How are you guys with spicy food?
I hate spicy food.
I love all types of food.
Spicy food is like my last choice.
Uh-oh. This is the show for you. Let me break down the rules for you. In front of you, you can see 3 scorching hot chicken wings that have all been doused in various versions of the last dab. I have a handful of deeply personal, maybe awkward, sometimes uncomfortable questions for you. And when I ask you a question, you have a choice. Either answer it honestly or eat a death wing. The choice is yours. Are you guys ready to get started?
If I seen Death Wing on the menu, I would not order that.
Well, you know, it's the only thing on the menu today. And Jxmmi, we're gonna start with you because you're the oldest. I think that it's only fair.
Let's go.
Which Rae Sremmurd song do you think would be better if your brother, Swae weren't on it, and why?
Are you serious? Come on, man. What would the songs be? Swim Life.
Eating the wing. That's a good brother right there. That's a good partner
Real
in
nigga,
crime.
real nigga.
Man, anything hot.
They hot for real?
Man, anything, the sauce is hot. It's real lava.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not that bad, though. I like that.
I'm not really too excited.
Ah, shit.
Swae, I know that you're an animal lover, a real wildlife fan. You have a whole menagerie of animals at your house, including a spider monkey
I was raised by
named
wolves.
Lil G. But I imagine that being a rap superstar, it's hard to balance that with the care that you need for those animals. What's one time that you were not a good pet owner?
One time I wasn't a good pet owner. Like, I had left, like, I walked out the door too fast. I had somewhere to go, so I walked out the door too fast. And I left my door like a little bit cracked. And like my dogs, they were following me. They wanted to come with me. And I thought I had I thought I had closed it, but I ended up leaving a little bit cracked. So when I came back, my dogs were gone. Like, they had ran into the neighborhood. They were just like lost in the neighborhood. Like, I couldn't find them for like a week.
It happens to us all. Jxmmi, how you doing? You cleaned that whole glass of milk.
I'm about to go sweating, man. Hey, man, this shit hot. I still burning. I thought I was
Turning
done.
red.
Jxmmi, you guys have collaborated with some of the biggest artists, from Future to Travis Scott to Pharrell, but I'm curious, can you give me a collaboration that you guys backed away from, not because of scheduling or the money not being right, but just because the project, the album, the artist, you just couldn't be associated with it?
Oh, man,
He wanted to.
let me make a, hey, what's that dude, Gangstalicious? Hey, shout out to the
Oh, yeah,
Boondocks, man.
Gangstalicious,
Man, I can't do no song with Gangstalicious, man. Shrimp Life. All right, we out.
All right, Swae, Black Beatles, it's one of the biggest songs of the decade. It spawned the Mannequin Challenge. It even got a cosign from Sir Paul McCartney himself. But I'm curious, how well do you know the Beatles? I have 3 rapid-fire Beatles trivia questions for you. If you get all 3 right, you're in the clear.
Ooh.
But if you miss one, it's a one-way ticket to Scoville City over here, okay? You ready?
Ready.
The Beatles gave their first ever live U.S. television performance on which program? The Dick Van Dyke Show, The Ed Sullivan Show, or The Tonight Show starring Johnny Carson?
The Tonight Show starring Johnny Carson.
Ed Sullivan.
It was The Ed Sullivan.
That's what I meant too.
I'm going to give you a little lifeline. I can
Yeah, we're a
see.
team.
Let's go 2 more trivia questions.
Oh,
And you're even adding more. What a showman. The
That's how confident I
cover.
am.
Boy, you must not see me. I
Wow.
drank the whole glass.
That's
That
how
is-
confident I am.
The cover of the Beatles' 11th studio album has no title printed on it, but instead pictures the band walking an iconic crosswalk
Oh, that's
in
easy.
London. Can you name that album?
Abbey
Ooh.
Road.
Abbey Road. Abbey Road. All right, one more, Rae Sremmurd. That is a doused chicken wing. I've never seen a dab like that in my life.
Nah,
So
don't do
a
that.
lot at stake here with
Boy,
this
you-
question.
Third question.
You might as well just drink one of them bottles right there.
Let's go.
Which song did Frank Sinatra say was the best love song of the past 50 years? She Loves You, 8 Days a Week, Something, or Hey Jude?
Hey Jude.
The answer is Something, and that is something right there if I've ever seen it.
Oh, hey, everybody get your phones out, man. Instagram, it's time for that.
We dig our own graves
I
on
didn't
this
say final
show.
answer though.
Or maybe that could
I
be the
didn't say
last
final-
one.
I didn't say
That could be the
final
last
answer.
one. That could be the last one.
Fuck it, I'm a good sport.
This is wild.
Oh! Oh, yeah.
Listen, I have been doing this show for years. I've never seen a dab like that in all my life.
Oh,
I've never seen a dab like that.
Oh, snap, I regret doing that.
Yeah, I could see that
my
coming.
lips burning.
All right, Slim Jimmy, we couldn't let you out of here without a challenge for yourself, and I know
What's up?
My gums burning.
that you love your brother, but how well do you know his guest verses? You're just eating a wing off rip.
I
Hold on.
know the verses. Let's do it.
If you can do the lyrics to Swae Lee's verse on Nightcrawler, you're in the clear. But if not, then it's a death wing. But you've already taken it down, so.
I come up a fucking song
Nah,
now. When I come a nigga running out. Oh yeah, do you
Freaks come out at night.
Oh!
Freaks come out at night.
I need some more wings, man. Cause
My
you
mouth
done
on
smacking.
fire
These
right
wings
now.
smacking. I ain't even eat lunch.
My mouth
I ain't eat
burning.
lunch before I came here anyway.
My eyes water. Can you zoom into my eyes? You'll see tears in my eyes right now if you really zoom into, like, if them, my lips burning, boy.
But Swae, the questions don't get any easier. Who's a rapper that you were a fan of growing up? You know, somebody you idolized. And then maybe you met them in person or worked with them in person. It was a little bit of a letdown.
Oh, so like if you don't have like, oh, if you can't like name drop, you gotta wing drop. You gotta eat the wing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucked up.
That's fucked up, man. Hey, but hey, that's how life goes. Hey, you gotta eat that wing.
But my lips so sensitive, bro. I can't even like.
I know.
It hurt when I eat
I
the,
feel
when I eat the
empathy
wing.
from this side of the
For real.
stage.
Yeah, I feel that one right there. There's still some lava on your plate.
On to the last round. So you guys broke onto the internet with these viral dance videos when you were going under a crew called them Out of State Boys.
Yes.
What do you remember about the put it in rotation routine?
I can still hit that jump right now.
Man, I can do that shit too. Listen.
Stop. Hey, thank you. Thank you.
All right, and I got one more for you guys. Because before you made it big, you were hustling, taking odd jobs, whether it was working in a mattress factory or in the restaurant business. What's one corporate secret about Olive Garden that they wouldn't want the people out there to know?
The bus boys steal the tips from the servers.
Well, there you have it. You heard it here first on
The
Truth
breadsticks
or
come
Dab.
frozen.
That's two volunteered, and look at you guys, Swae Lee, Slim Jimmy, answering the hot questions and eating the scorching hot chicken wings for the culture. Rae
One
Sremmurd.
thing. Got milk?
Always looking for Shrem Life 4.
Complex, we love you. Hey, I got 2 wings left too.
Hey man, I ate all my wings, man. Them was some good wings too, man. That was my lunch right there, man. I was
That's a fire
hungry.
hazard right there.
Jedi, what's up, big boy?